Today, we're diving into a high-stakes showdown between two heavyweights in the ultra-high performance tire segment, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S and the Falken Azenis FK520. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S has been a benchmark in the UUHP category since its debut in 2017, renowned for its exceptional grip and precise handling. But now, there's a new contender in town, the 2022 Falken Azenis FK520. With its cutting-edge design and technology, can it dethrone the reigning champion? Let's find out. Starting with wet performance, both tires were put through rigorous tests. In wet braking from 80 to 0 km per hour, both the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S and the Falken Azenis FK520 stopped at an identical 24.5 meters. However, in wet handling, the Michelin averaged a speed of 84.6 km per hour, just edging out the Falken at 83.1 km per hour. In straight aquaplaning tests, both tires achieved a maximum slipping speed of 80.6 km per hour. And in curved aquaplaning, the Michelin once again took the lead with a higher lateral acceleration compared to the Falken. Moving on to dry conditions, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S proved its mettle in braking tests from 100 to 0 km per hour, stopping in just 33.9 meters. The Falken Azenis FK520, while impressive, took 35.2 meters. In dry handling, both tires were neck and neck, averaging a speed of 100.6 km per hour. It's clear that both tires deliver excellent dry handling, but the Michelin has a slight edge in braking performance. Now, let's talk about comfort and efficiency. In terms of exterior noise, the Falken Azenis FK520 is slightly quieter, registering at 71.3 decibels, compared to the Michelin's 72.1 decibels. When it comes to rolling resistance, the Falken Azenis FK520 excels with a lower coefficient value of 8.6 versus the Michelin's 9.6. This translates to better fuel efficiency for the Falken, making it a great choice for those looking to save on fuel costs. So, which tire comes out on top? The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S has shown superior wet and dry handling, coupled with excellent dry braking performance, makes it a top-tier choice for enthusiasts. On the other hand, Falken Azenis FK520 offers lower rolling resistance and a quieter ride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.